On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, Minitruck? What's up, Minitruck? I know. I'm sorry, girl. I've been a workbench for months. I've been really neglecting you. You have a right to be mad at me. I had way too much stuff I was trying to take care of. I guess you're not going to want to go for a ride then, huh? Yeah? What's up, Minitruck? Yeah, girl, feels good to be inside you again. Not like that. You are dirty. The weather's changing now. I'm gonna definitely pay some more attention to you. I knew you wouldn't let me down. Still run good, girl. Had your little maternity leave. Oh, did I spill the beans? You get front row today. Got some mail going out. Wow, it's so pretty. I think we'll put Dumpy in the garage for now. He could be the workbench. We'll go for a little cruise. What's this? Uh-oh. Oh my God. Woo! That might not have been a good idea, Minnie. Holy cow. I thought we were stuck. Oh, damn. Yeah. Got you a little muddy. Minnie. I turned these this way because people said they look better that way, but I'm not so sure. You know, maybe they're more functional. Idiots. Idiots. Hope we can get out of here, Minnie. Holy mackerel. That was deep. I thought about starting your own channel, Minnie, but you know, I had a few pretty well-known YouTubers tell me that I probably shouldn't. We'll just have to do more of you on this channel. That's probably a good idea. I think a lot of people that watch you like all the other stuff too. Keep it all in one spot. Do some metal detecting, Minnie. I bet you'll like that. Jeffro's garage. He picked up a mini truck he's gonna start working on too. We're gonna go with him. You know what else I'm thinking, Minnie? I think we should do some Minitruck restaurant reviews. We'll take rides to some of the local restaurants. Let you see how they are. Give me an excuse to take you for a ride. You like that? Me too. Oh boy, look at that big guy. Bet you somebody be screaming if they had that come out in their car. I like spiders. They catch bugs. Spiders are cool. I got some bad news too, Minnie. MommaCat ran off on Halloween and hasn't been back. I'm afraid the coyotes might have got her, or maybe she was sick and wandered off. I don't know. It's been quite a few days and she's not back yet, so I think that's the last we've seen of MommaCat.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.